Welcome to the 19th installment of Quest, Elements. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. Each infuses our work with its own energy and life, inspiring us to explore and refine this extraordinary magic of capturing light. Inspired by the original Elements presets, Quest Elements once again draws upon the visual richness and power of the elements. Our clean light-filled air presets captures the clarity of the subtlest element to create images of lucid purity and elegance. The earth preset enriches rust, flint, and earth tones to create images with extraordinary depth and grounding. The fire preset brings out the natural vibrancy of a full spectrum of tones to create images that effortlessly communicate warmth, strength, and vitality. The spirit preset infuses images with a light bohemian feel by enriching warm pastel tones and delicate hues reminiscent of wild plum blossoms. The water preset enhances delicate pastels while enriching natural turquoises and deep blues to create images of beautiful translucence and fluidity. The storm profile boosts contrast into saturation, creating overall moodiness within the image. And be sure to use the yin-yang tool to help pop your subject from the background.